You're watching Explorer Vacations. Step inside Sea Terrace 9102Z aboard Virgin Voyages' Brilliant Lady, where modern design meets laid-back luxury at sea. During her inaugural sailing from Los Angeles to Puerto Vallarta, we had the chance to experience the stylish cabin firsthand, and it delivers. From the moment you enter, you're greeted with a sleek, nautical-inspired space featuring mood lighting, a plush seabed, and clever storage throughout. But the real highlight? That private sea terrace, complete with Virgin's signature red hammock. It's the perfect spot to soak in ocean views, sip your morning coffee, or unwind as the sun sets over the Pacific. Thoughtful tech, upscale finishes, and that indoor-outdoor vibe make this cabin ideal for both relaxing and recharging. If you're looking for a chic, comfortable home base when on a cruise, Sea Terrace 9102Z is a standout choice on Brilliant Lady. And now we're going to stop talking and start watching.
Thank you for your participation in our safety review today. I'm now delighted to say it is all things we need to do to make this success.
Thank you for exploring with Explorer Vacations. For travel ideas about cruising and beyond, please visit our website, ExplorerVacations.com, to see all of the exciting vacation options we have for you.